nung sa CND, ayaw pumayag ni Senator Jinggoy, di ba? And he was mentioning something like, na-dismiss nga yung report mo sa Makati na-dismiss nga itong report na ito. So, the term is, inutil ka. And I am being very expressive here. You know why? If only to allow our people to feel yung political pressure na ine-exert not only yung mga pananakot, ha? So, alam mo, I was already ready not to be confirmed. So I said, sabi niya, oh, ano, gusto mo bang ma-confirm? And I said, kung gusto po ng Diyos. Abay, hindi naman yung Diyos ang tinatanong ko, ikaw. And I said, kung gusto po ng Diyos. And then he said, ay, mahirap na usapan to, etc. So I said, my peace. Sabi ko, paulit-ulit po ako. And ang tinatanong ko po ba, ako po ba'y nagnakaw? Wala naman sila masabi, di ba? But look how many times bago ako na-confirm. Until after, pasasalamat lang, hindi bumigay si Presidente di ba? He never gave up on me. And because of that, miracles of all miracles,